Can you make your math class even more exciting? Teachers, do you intend for your classrooms to be a relaxing place for you and your students by teaching like this?
You're going to get x squared times minus 3 plus 2 over x plus 1 over x squared. And on the bottom, right? Well, I always like the idea of just factoring out the highest powered term in each one. So I get x and then 1 plus 2 over x. Okay. Now you know what's going to happen, right? All these things over x, those are going to go to 0. Right?
In 1930, the Republican-controlled
Do you often
House
feel
of
like this,
Representatives,
teacher?
in an effort to alleviate the effects of the anyone, the Great Depression, passed the anyone, a tariff bill, the Hawley-Smoot Tariff Act.
Or do you maybe feel like this, teacher?
Lend-Lease Act. How are these two events linked in history? Anybody got any thoughts? Sabrina.
So, the test that you threw out, that's not going to count?
Britain at war with. Who can tell me? Okay, let's think now. What was happening in Europe in the 1930s? Darlene?
I thought you said that we weren't going to have to know dates.
Do you give assignments that make your students look like this? And you look like this? No wonder they react like this. Have you thought about making assignments that are a little more authentic and also a little more fun? Check these out. You could teach about sets with pictures organized using Scribbler.
Hi, in the following presentation you will see 12 photographs of animals. Whilst you are viewing these photographs, think about the different ways they can be grouped. What groups can you create from this one set of photographs of animals?
Let your students explain what they know about relations and functions using extra normal.
Hello. Hello, how was your day? Fine. Did you know that a relation is when every element from a set is paired with an element in another set? They are used to describe certain properties of things. That way, certain things can be connected in some way. Cool. I never knew that. Yet I just learned about it in math class the other day.
Students can create their own lessons and review for tests.
How do we transform classrooms into laboratories where learning becomes active and participatory? How do we motivate students to use technology with an emphasis on rigor and critical thinking?
Let your musical students sing you what they've learned.
You know we multiply while memorizing pi. Take limits to the sky, be sure to simplify. Graphing utility, this trigonometry. 100 I'm at B, don't you cheat off me. Distance is rate times time, the sine graph ain't no line. Exponential decline, what's yours can't be mine. We're memorizing braids for our method states.
With VoiceThread, students display their work and other students can add comments.
Draw a circle around two different shapes that are not polygons. Then, draw a square or rectangle around two different shapes that are polygons.
So, do you have some ideas for making your classroom a fun learning place? Put your plan into action.